Hi, this is Milian. Today I will show you our new generation polyurethane planetary mixer. Here is good solution for polyurethane vacuum mixing and defoaming. Now let's have a look. There is the twin cups inside the vacuum chamber. Here is the clear and transparent cover. And inside, there are two cups in the same size. The place at 45 tilt angle. And from here, you can see there is the control PLC. You can set 5-stage working station. For here, there is all the emergency switch, rotary switch, stop and start. Here is the alarm light. This machine, the rotary speed will be maxed up to 1,500 RPM. The vacuum degree will be reached minus 98 kPa. From this side, there is the vacuum pump for doing the vacuum in good solution. Finally, with this machine, you can get the uniform products and bubble-free liquid. Thank you.